Hello, fellow freelancers. And today is a special day because I actually didn't have a video plan for today. And so I decided off the cuff to do a 48-hour flash sale. And I'm going to offer this for all the courses that I have here on Thinkific. And so let's do that. As you can see, my courses on Thinkific are translations.thinkific.com, and it's the Global Freelancer School, courses for becoming a worldwide entrepreneur. And so obviously they deal with freelance translation, but with other things as well. Let's go through these quickly so I can show you what we're dealing with. The first one, my main course, is how to be a successful freelance translator. You see this in all my videos. I discuss it, or at least in the description below. This is the main thing, and I talk about how to be a successful freelance translator from beginning to end, what you should set up before you even get started, how to get started, how to find your clients, how to deal with clients, how to discern good clients from bad ones, how to get paid, how to deal with escrow, how to deal with invoices, how to deal with troubleshooting, tips, tricks, tidbits, all that good stuff. Everything's there from A to Z. And obviously, this course, like all the courses, they're all self-paced. You take them at your own pace. They're online, and once you have access to them, you have access forever. So you can use them as reference. They're constantly being updated, and so you can always use them as reference whenever needed. So, how to be a successful freelance translator is the first one. And the second one is how to run your business using freelancers. As you know, I run my business, my agency, purely with freelancers, not only freelance translators, but in order to do my logo, all the websites, all the marketing, all the lead generation, everything like that is all done using freelancers. And so I have a course teaching you how to use freelancers, the different types of freelancers, how you should again, find good freelancers, what you should get them started on, how to get them started, how to make sure they're doing a good job, how to retain good freelancers and make sure they stay loyal to you, etc., etc., etc. The next course I have is how to network for introverts. How to network for introverts is exactly what it sounds like. I'm an introvert through and through, and I've always hated networking. And so it's been very difficult for me to try to come to terms with it. And these are some of the tips and tricks that I've come up with, and some of the ways that I've come up with to do so. And they've been very good to me. I've been able to be, like I've mentioned before, I'm on the board of the Carolina Association of Translators and Interpreters. I was, in fact, the treasurer. I am the treasurer of the Carolina Association of Translators and Interpreters, which is a branch of the ATA. I was on the board of the Swiss Society of Charlotte, and obviously I'm a member of many other associations, and it's not easy when you're an introvert. And so this course goes through that in more detail. Let's look at the other courses that I'm offering so we can go through those quickly. How to set up and use LinkedIn Masterclass. This is something that I think is very important now. I think LinkedIn has become extremely important for everyone working freelance and not, basically any type of entrepreneur. And so this talks about how to set up LinkedIn, how to use it, how to network using LinkedIn, and how to use it to grow your business. Lately, I've been getting more and more business via LinkedIn, and it's been really good to me. And I think I think everyone should be taking it seriously. This next course is how to create a resume or CV for entrepreneurs and freelancers. As we all know, a resume is very different if you're an entrepreneur or freelancer, because when people are looking through resumes, they're not looking for someone who, fits the company ambiance and the company lifestyle, and they're not looking for someone who can grow with the company and be a good employee slash manager slash colleague, and who can hang out at the water cooler and all that. But no, if you're an entrepreneur or freelancer, when you're sending out your resume, people are just trying to make sure that you can get the job done, and that's it. And that means your resume fulfills a very different purpose. It's looked at in a very different way. And so this course talks about that, and talks about what people are looking for when they're looking at a resume of a freelancer. And I say this as someone who hires freelancers all the time, and it's very important. And so this one is a very, possibly my most popular one. No, I guess the How to Be a Successful Freelance Translator is my most popular one. But this one is a close second, language hacking, how to learn a new language as an adult. And it talks about learning new languages as an adult. As some of you may know, I speak various languages at differing degrees. I speak English, Italian, French, German, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. And I love learning new languages. I love learning about languages, but obviously learning language as an adult is very different from the way you're usually taught as a kid and stuff like that. And so this course goes through that. And it also, in that fact, then has a template and a sort of a sheet you can download and keep to yourself to keep to basically have a worksheet and how to make sure you're doing the right exercises at the right time to enable you to keep learning a new language as an adult. And then the only thing left, I think, is my webinar. Yes, this is a webinar for freelance translators. It's a webinar I gave for the Carolina Association of Translators and Interpreters. And it's freelance translators. You can translate, but can you freelance? And it talks all about the freelance aspect of freelance translation, working online. Obviously, yeah, from using a different resume to finding clients online, to dealing with clients while you're online and maintaining that relationship all entirely remotely. And yeah, I'm offering all of these for this 48-hour flash sale for 50% off. Every single one of these will be 50% off. Just use the coupon code that I will have in the description below. And so what you do is you just click on any one of these, and when it asks you for the coupon code, the discount code, you just enter the discount code that I'll have in the description below. And then you can take any one of these courses, or all of them, as many as you wish, for 50% off. And this will be valid for the next 48 hours only. So for all of you who are quick to look at my videos, this is for you. And I figured, why not? I'll offer this as a discount for all of you. I've mentioned this before. I do have one more new course coming up. It won't make it in time for this, but anyway, I'll discuss it when it's up. And that's how to live and move abroad, and basically living like a digital nomad. And that'll be up soon. But for now, these are the courses that are up here. And so feel free to check them out at 50% discount. And that's it. I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye. Savedum.